super. It's like super.
Okay, let's clean this up, yeah? Ew, dude! That's disgusting.
I told you you didn't need to. I had a whipped cream too.
You did?
Yes,
You didn't even feel it go shh.
I know.
I had whipped cream. You didn't have to.
You should have told me.
I didn't know that you were gonna break.
Ew, dude. That's just...
It's clean.
I'm not drinking.
Your backpack's
Your
not...
backpack's not clean.
I know.
It's dirty.
Viruses.
Put this in.
Whipped cream. Christy.
Can you put this in the sink?
Oh! Nasa lang.
Oh!
Did you shut down?
That sucks, man.
Don't worry.
Watch your hand. Watch out your hand in there
Without makeup.
in the chair.
Stupid.
Pass me a towel.
Oh, that's Abby's sweater.
Thank you.
Stop!
I have emergency.
I see the way that you're walking and I can't explain it. You and that tight clothes, something about you. Current kicking.
Want me to like put it in water or something?
You can't put this in water.
I know, not that.
That's disgusting. Look at that! That's disgusting.
I know, it's in Christine's backpack.
Ew. This is whipped cream.
And
What is that?
the top.
The cover of it.
So, what are you gonna use for the rest of the